I'd like to talk to you about the importance of board members taking advantage of their various professionals, be it attorneys, accountants, engineers, managing agents, to assist them in governing their multi-million-dollar corporations. Board positions are purely voluntary. While some board members may have experience in the real estate field, many other board members do not, and they need to be shepherded through this process. One of the things that they should do is they need to put into place systems, policies, and practices which they routinely follow and follow in all cases so that they can be best protected against claims of personal legal liability. They can be afforded the benefit of what's known in New York as the business judgment rule, where if they're following practices which they have adopted and have uniformly applied and have followed the advice of their professionals, they are usually insulated from legal liability. Where boards, and particularly individual board members, fall off the wagon on these issues is where they run off and do things either on a case-by-case basis. I like this shareholder, therefore I'm going to approve their sublet. I don't like this shareholder, therefore I'm not going to approve this sublet. Or where they get too personally involved in disputes of the apartment corporation, such as a litigation between a contractor or a vendor and the apartment corporation, where they feel that they can be the savior for the apartment corporation. When those things go awry, they open themselves up to claims of legal liability, such as interfering with contractual relations, discrimination, and the like. They should use their attorneys and other professionals as shields for these claims by getting sound legal advice or accounting advice or engineering advice or managerial advice and following those recommendations with an appropriate vote of the board of directors to do so. And by doing so, they can hide, I don't want to use the word hide, but they can be afforded the protections of having received advice from professionals upon which they relied. And as long as they followed that advice, it is difficult for anybody or any court to find that they are responsible in damages for any claims.